Let's turn these into this. And for this recipe you need following ingredients. In this simple recipe we start by mixing margarine and sugar. Baking mixer will help you work a lot. And then we're gonna add the remaining ingredients: egg, vanilla flour and baking powder. Then mix it again and gradually increase the wheat flour. If you put everything at once, mixing is very hard, so in 2 parts minimum. Then take your oiled baking form and put your dough in there. And after that put some blueberries on the top, like this. After that it's time to make the crumble toppings. You need the following ingredients. Just mix everything up and squeeze everything up so that you can get this nice crumble. And then sprinkle the crumbles on top of your pie, and you can also add some extra blueberries also. Toast the pie in preheated oven for 30 minutes. And after that it's time to enjoy. Serve pie with delicious ice cream and hot coffee. I bet you will like this. 5 out of 5.